this session number 328, and well, I will continue with this training. Today we have this is the daily challenge. Okay. Now let me share here the link. Is the 1497. Check if arrays pairs are divisible by k. Okay. Given an array of integers array of even length n and the integer k, we want to divide the array into exactly n between two pairs such that the sum of each pair is divisible by k. Return true if you can find a way to do that, or false in other ways. Okay, in this case, for example, we have this array and it's basically all of them are divisible between 5. Now is true, and here is false. Okay, here I noticed that an parent, but before this, let me check if we have this test cases. Oh, we have negatives. Okay, let me check here. Okay, we have this number. In this case, I think that is true. And this is the number divisible between this. I am thinking that what happened, or no. I noticed a pattern here that is the first with the last sorting these values, but I'm not sure. Let me sort this in this way. No, this is wrong. This is the first. This is the second, and next to is this value, and the next that is this. Okay, now it's basically this. With this is the add. It's 0, yeah, because it's the same but negative. It's this plus this, but this is negative, means that is 0. And this is this number, should be false, but let me check. false. True. Why? Why this is true? Mm-mm-mm. Is this less? This number is equal to this. Okay, are divisible. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, now these problems of this example create a false perspective. Okay. Um, yes, yes. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, here. Oh no, it's too much. Oh, this. And here is 10. Okay, before, if I sort these values, 6 should be false. Uh-huh. What happens when we have these values? Hmm. I think that we can cancel it when it's positive and negative. We can ignore both and only focus in the numbers that are not um, have the positive value. For example, here in this case, this 1 2 3 4 5 5, and do you imagine that we have this is basically okay, if we have these elements is cancel this with the negative 5 but doesn't exist, don't we don't um, have to do anything, but this with this, well, sorry, this with this is cancelled, it is with this is cancelled. No, no, because if I cancel this, cancel this. Okay, let me check. What happened if here I have is 10 Let me change this for 2. What happens if I have 8 less 8 4 less 4? It's cancellate, cancellate, and it's empty, means that it's true. It's false. Sorry, yeah, it's false because are cancelled. But if I add a new elements like 1 and 7, yeah, 1 7 2 6 3 4, 5 6. Now it's true. Okay, well, let me try to resolve it this way, but I don't know why I feel that it's not appear this weird will be appear this weird test as well. Hash map, this case is integer. No, even with the hash map, no, it's okay. Let me check the constraints. The value are this. Okay, I think that no. With this is no, yeah. Hash map integer map it's equal map it's equal new hash map. Yeah, and here is basically sort these values. No, even it's not necessarily this map, because if we sort this arrays dot sort, and here is array. Array in a 4 integer I is equal 0, meanwhile I is equal to array dot length I plus plus. Well, this is between 2 because it's in a half. And next to is validate if array in the index I it's equal array in the index no, the first is array in the index I need that the first should be I need validate that it's positive or negative. Alright, the position I it's equal to array in the position array dot length less I less 1. But before this I need validate that this is negative and this is positive. is negative. Oh, this is negative. This should be minor equal 0, minor 0, and well, basically this. And this should be greater equal 0. Yeah, in this case is continue, don't do anything. And in the case that this is false, I can check if, well, basically this. If this this string k, how can I know that is divisible without with the module maybe? Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, I think that is with the with the module. Okay, let me check. For example, if we have 7, no 7, no 8, and k is 2, it's 2, it's 4, it's 4, but what happens when it's 3? It's 3, and when it's 5? Okay, when the module is equal to the this module it's equal to k, return false. In your case, return true. Array, it's not array, it's array. The one with the last is 7. One, no, this is what? The first with the last is 7, 7 module of 10 is 7. Why don't return false? K it's equal, and array dot length, the last position is 1, and 6, that is 7, and in this case is array name xi, model of k. Why don't return false? Let me check what is happening. The first time, alright, okay, I will check if that don't happen this case. Don't should be happen the first time at least, in any time, because any number is negative. It's equal 0, and array of length, the array of length is 1, 3, 4, well, 6 less 0, 6 less 1, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 1 plus 6 is 7. Sorry. Yeah, here is 0. And this should we have the last. Why don't return false? 7 module of 10. 7 module of 10 is this. Here. 7 module of 10 is 10. And if k, sure. Here is, because k is equal 10. For this reason not happen this, but okay, here or the result is equal to the sum. No. When the result is the same, in this case I sort in this with this is continue, and this with this is continue. I return false. Why? The first element array in the index 0 that should be have this negative value, and the last that should be have this are equal. Yeah, are equal. Continue. Let me change it this way. No, even. Okay, let me check what is happening here. Why don't the first element is negative or 0 is greater than this, and the last position is greater equal 0. Greater 0. Array in the index I, and if the array in the index I is equal to the last, continue. Why? Is this with this. It's the same, right? Yeah, but in negative. Should we execute this continue, but it's not execute. Why? Mm, okay, let me change this. 4 plus it's equal 0. Yeah. Uh-huh. Where? Ah, yeah, sure. Yeah, because it's negative. Yeah, and here, or I can use the math.abs for get the absolute value of this. Oh my gosh. Uh, uh, uh. No, I wanna another test here. And the value is 10. Yeah, it's false, and I return true. It should be false. Why? Okay, let me add another. And here is what? I don't touch anything in the code, or I modify the test. I think. Okay, let me submit. Okay, and I will remove the first. Okay. Expected this, and I return true. Why? If I sort these elements and k it's equal 10, if I sort this element, is the 2 is here, 3, yeah, and the k it's equal 10 is that the first with the last is 19. Yeah, it's for this conditional. I don't know how validate this. How number is divisible by x Java and module of x is equal 0. Only that. Let me check. different to 0, to false. And now spectral y. This and this are cancelled. Now is 1 with 7, that it's 8 is true. This is true, right? Yeah. And it's basically now is this. No. Okay, this is the original array. Now here is less 8. Yeah, is less 8. Now is less 4. Now the next that is 1. Now the next that is 2. Now the next is 3. The next is we have 1, 2 4s. Now the next is the 5, 6, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. Now is basically this with this cancel it. This. With this, but it's wrong. What is the result that spec here? True. Yeah, because it's basically this. If I remove the elements that are cancelled, it's basically this point. It's 1 8 and 1 4 and the negatives, and it's only this. Now it is 1 with 7 is 8, but this is wrong. Why is it true? Sorry, it's the value is true. And this with this is true, this with this is true, this with this is false. Why this is marked as a true? Okay, I spent too much time. I will check the answer. Hashing and counting. The 0, have the 2, have the 2. It's a model, sorry. Okay. 13 and 2 pointers. Compare this. Just copy the values. Mm-hmm. Start plus 1, module of k is equal to 0. Return false. Star is equal to star plus 2. Okay, let me check the solution of the community. Determine frequency. Frequency. Each person is divisible by 5. Okay, the frequency. Now iterate over the array, calculate the remind, and the remind is minor to 0. Remind is equal to remind plus k. That is the total. Remind in the position x it's equal plus frequency in module 0 reaching to 0. Wow, this is yeah. The trick is here. Have the remind. Okay, well, it's a new thing to study, but yeah, I think that let me share. Let me save this. Okay, yeah, I think that it's enough for this session. Thanks for following this transmission, and I will see you more late.